Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Kodian Barrett with your business updates for today. 11 countries voted in favor of a resolution calling for Iran to immediately stop attacks on shipping in the Strait of Hormuz, but the measure failed after being vetoed by permanent members China and Russia. The draft also urged coordinated efforts to protect commercial vessels using the key shipping route. Speaking after the vote, Bahrain's Foreign Minister Abdulatif bin Rashid Al Zayani said Middle Eastern states have reached their limits with restraint in response to Iran's actions.
We made clear repeatedly that the countries of our region are not parties to this conflict, have never sought to be, and do not wish to be. We reject any false Iranian claims to the contrary.
The text was submitted by Bahrain alongside Jordan, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. Zayani added that Iran's actions to close a key global shipping route have affected civilians, energy facilities, and critical infrastructure, disputing claims that attacks were limited to military targets.
It is absolutely clear that Iran's ongoing conduct, including its obstruction of the Strait of Hormuz, violates international law and Security Council Resolution 2817. The purpose of this draft resolution was precisely to put an end to these unlawful actions, which are already having widespread consequences for the global economy.
The developments have also raised concerns about global food and energy security, with warnings that millions could face increased risk of hunger if disruptions continue. However, opposing the resolution, Russia and China argued it failed to reflect the full context of the conflict. Russia's ambassador said it presented Iran as the sole source of tensions, while actions by the United States and Israel were, quote, not mentioned at all. While China's ambassador added the draft, quote, failed to capture the root causes and the full picture of the conflict. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Kodian Barrett.